Hello, welcome back. In our last video, we look at the project structure. Today we are talking about the most critical step in an application's lifecycle, that is bootstrapping. So what is bootstrapping? Bootstrapping is the process of loading and initializing the SAPUI5 framework so the browser understands your code. Without this, your browser just sees a bunch of tags it doesn't recognize. Think of it as the starting engine of your application. So let's understand the foundation of SAPUI5 application. This is the standard Bootstrap file, that is sap-ui-core.js. To use SAPUI5, you must load and initialize the SAPUI5 library. The standard Bootstrap file is recommended for typical use cases. It's simply divided into three main phases, that is loading, execution, and ready state. When your script tag is detected, the browser kicks off the download for the core library. The SAPUI5 runtime initializes itself automatically the moment the script runs. Once finished, your environment is fully prepared to render controls and handle your complex logics. This file is an optimized bundle containing only the essential elements required to start the framework, that jQuery, jQuery UI positions, sap.ui.core. SAPUI5 can be loaded locally using a relative path for your own SAP web server. This is common for on-premise deployments or offline capable apps. External CDN delivery. Loading from a content delivery network ensures high availability and reduced latency by serving files from edge locations globally. So advantages of CDN delivery is it delivers fast, reduced load on local servers, effortless updates and versioning. Now you have two main ways to deliver these services, that is local web server or global CDN. Local web service is great for on-premise or offline apps. It gives you full control over uptime and works perfectly on restricted internal networks. Global CDN, this is high performance choice. It uses edges served globally to reduce latency and makes update effortless. CDN also allows you to point to a specific version of SAPUI5. This is critical production stability to prevent unaccepted updates from breaking the UI. So best practice summary is stick to the standard file for most applications to ensure minimum footprints. Always use a fixed version in the CDN URL for production environment and define your default theme in the Bootstrap to avoid flickering during the load. So just quickly I will show you the Bootstrap file in our application. Bootstrap file is in script type. So ID. This ID must be exactly for the framework to initialize properly. SIC tells the browser where the SAPUI5 core library is. It can be a local path or CDN. Theme sets the look of your app. Common themes include SAP Horizon or SAP Fiori 3. SAP Horizon is a default theme for the application. So data-sap-ui-on-init. It automatically starts the UI5 component when the app loads. Edges. It's use the latest compatible UI5 features. Async is equal to true. Loads UI5 files asynchronously for better performance. Trusted shows the allows the app to run inside trusted frames. Bootstrap Scripts load the SAPUI5 framework and configures themes, namespace, performance, and component initialization for our application. Thanks for watching.